How to run an attribution report. Click Create Attribution Report. First, you will select your target audiences. You can type in the first part of the audience and click Search. You'll see that you can select multiple audiences. I'm using a coffee shop audience and a demographic audience. Then you'll click Next Step. Here, you will select your destination audience. I'm going to use Starbucks. Then next, you will give your report a title. This title will appear at the top of the completed report. Then click Save and Run Report, and it will begin processing. Once it's complete, you'll scroll over to the right and you can click View Attribution Report. You can see the report title is at the top here. And once this is loaded, I can see total visits, unique visitors. I can look at my audiences and understand which locations they came from, the city and zip code of where the visitors live, and I can see which locations had the most visitors. This is sortable, so I can look at the top location. The URL is shareable and can be sent to clients.